Meet the next generation of fire with the Campstove 2, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Campstove 2 provides 50% more power than the Campstove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Campstove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Whether you're just starting out or you're an old pro, having the right tools for the job is essential to any successful repair. Electronics often require specialty tools that most people don't normally have lying around the house, so we made the ultimate electronics repair kit with all the tools you need in one convenient place. Meet the Protech Toolkit. At the heart of the toolkit, you'll find 64 steel screwdriver bits to service all your tech. The Protech Toolkit has everything from the Y000 bit for next-gen Apple products to the Game Bit for vintage game consoles. It also has a handy suction cup for the tough lifting jobs and a huge selection of other tools like opening picks and prying tools for getting into those tight areas. The kit also carries a variety of tweezers for removing adhesive or picking up small pieces. There's plastic and metal spudgers for prying, poking, lifting, and opening. We've even included our new halberd spudger, perfect for cutting adhesive and pulling cables. Our Jimmy tool is great for those hard-to-open gadgets, thanks to its ergonomic handle and flexible blade for precise yet powerful prying. And last but not least, this top pouch holds your anti-static wrist strap to protect you and your device from harmful electric shocks. We've engineered this toolkit from the ground up, from the custom opening tools and spudgers to the iFixit-designed aluminum driver with knurled handle and swivel top. And what sets this kit apart from the others is that we believe in our tools, and we stand by them. That's why our Protech Toolkit comes backed by iFixit's lifetime warranty. If something breaks, we'll replace it for as long as you own the toolkit. Get your Protech Toolkit today at ifixit.com and start fixing the world with us, one device at a time.
If you're looking for a stronger core and better balance, step up to the next generation of training with the new M-Pad Balance and Strength Trainer from Modern Movement. The M-Pad transforms your workout into a dynamic, live gaming and training experience by syncing up with the free M-Track app, so you can play, train, and measure results while you work out. Just download M-Track to your smartphone and choose a function mode. Play lets you enjoy interactive games while you work out. Train gives you exercises and movements and tracks them in real time. And Measure offers a full menu of instability tests that identify your strengths. Gauge your balance ability while tracking your progress from one workout to the next. When you're ready, place your phone in the built-in cradle and start moving. The M-Pad features 3 rubber base pads for multiple levels of balance and strength training. Start with one pad to build your confidence, then add more to increase your level of challenge as you progress. With a wide range of repetitious tilt and swivel motions that mimic real-life movements, the M-Pad builds your balance and engages your core muscles, while the M-Track app lets you play, train, and measure your results right from your phone or TV. The new M-Pad is solidly built with commercial-grade materials, features a textured surface for better traction, collapses easily for storage, and is compact enough to slip into your gym bag or backpack, so you can train at home in front of the TV, from your stand-up desk at the office, or at the gym with weights. Sync up, work out, get results.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself. Removable sticks sew right inside for an ultra-low profile. Proclaim your individuality with multiple color options and a full suite of accessories. Mavic Air redefines power and portability in a way that only DJI could make possible. And with the Mavic Air in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.